The Egyptians have a nice saying, خلي بالك من نفسك. You know, take care of yourself. But if you translate it literally, it means empty your mind of your ego. خلي بالك من نفسك. There's too much ego. Nafsi, nafsi. This is shaitan. Nafsi. Now everybody's taking selfies. Narcissistic people. You know, in the Emirates, they've had several mortal fatalities, car accidents from people taking selfies. They kill themselves driving. We had it in America. People taking selfies. One girl was listening to the Happy song. You know, this stupid song about happy like a house without a roof. I mean, who the hell's going to be happy if they have a house without a roof? And so they're listening to this song, and she tweets to her friend, oh, I'm so happy listening to the Happy song. And she goes into the other lane and has a head-on collision. That was the last thing she tweeted. Happy listening to the Happy song. Now where is she? Not so happy. You know, seriously. I mean, all these cameras. I'm so sick of cameras. Really, I don't. My wife's here and she knows. I don't take pictures. This is my camera. I can see all of you. If I close my eyes, I see my teachers. Wallahi, I see them in my heart. I don't need a camera. I never take pictures. People say, can I take a picture? I don't want to take a picture right here. Just be here. Be present. Don't think about tomorrow. You might not see tomorrow. Be present. This camera is destroying us. Really, all these stupid selfies. You know, people putting, oh, I had spinach and quiche for lunch. Look, and put it online and show everybody what you had for lunch. Next, why don't you take what goes into the toilet? Why don't you take the picture there and show them, oh, look, it came out the other end. You know, seriously, what happened to us?
Allah.
What's happened to us? Now I'm giving ideas. Now they'll start doing that, right? Yeah. Something new.